ZBCN, another video we're gonna make about this banger. Not for nothing, we love ZBCN. That's what we're gonna discuss today. We're gonna show why we love ZBCN, what we're waiting for, and what you should do too. And I'm gonna dive right into the chart to show you what we are seeing today. ZBCN right here. As everyone know, we smashed it from the breakout from this level. It went over 3x in just a week. So this was smoke, but this is in the past, okay? Now we need to understand what's going to happen next. And I will tell you one thing. I'm bullish on ZBCN because I've seen this happen multiple times in the past, okay? What do I mean? I mean that after a big move like this, okay, as we said, above 3x in just a week, what comes? Comes people selling. They are taking profits. It's very easy and very normal. We get a correction, normal correction, okay? Usually it can go all the way back down to a last high or something, precisely just like what happened here. This is where we got, and we got exactly to this point. You can see that we got here, we got actually here support in the past. Also, the 50-day moving average is over here. And one last bit is if we take the feed level from all the way from the bottom to the top, this correction nails the 61.8 level, which I believe is the best level for kind of a pullback to reach. Okay, so with everything this in mind, we believe that a local low is probably in. Now we can go lower, nothing is certain. And remember, this is not financial advice, this is purely educational, okay? But we believe ZBCN will continue, if not now, later on, okay? So let's say this is the local low. What do I want to see from now? I would want to see some sort of a building process, maybe going sideways for another couple of weeks up to a month until we break out from this consolidation period, okay? I made videos about this in the past in the crypto mindset channel, the main crypto mindset channel, how this happened on SHIB, on ETH, on Link, on XRP, and so on and so forth. So I believe this is what's going to happen. And again, what I would have done, what I'm doing actually, and what you should be doing as well, is wait patiently until the next entry point triggers for ZBCN. Then maybe something like this. Then you can go in it with high asymmetric reward to low risk probabilities. This is what I'm thinking. I'm bullish on ZBCN. I know this short-term correction is kind of iffy. People don't like it, but I know what's probably about to come. Sim, what do you think, man?
Absolutely in agreement, complete agreement. Let me share you my chart. Okay, the ZBCN is just, for me, is the most superior crypto chart out there. You can see, Jomo, this thing, it's not like a regular horizontal. I actually think it's even more massive. It's like a megaphone bottom. This is something that is going to explode very likely, because if you go back as well to the Jesse Livermore teaching, he was talking about this kind of a megaphone pattern with like 3 or 5 impulses inside, and once it broke, it's the most ferocious bull market moves that can come. So just to repeat what I've been saying for a while, okay, for ZBCN, I believe this is. Let me look on the 2-day chart. All right, 2-day chart is good. I believe this was leg one, okay, the leg one of ZBCN. This was, and I believe now we are in leg two. Okay, leg two is corrective leg or sideways, and then we go once, just like Jomo saying, that's the best time now is to wait. When leg two is potentially happening, you want to be waiting for it to be completed. Once leg two will complete, okay, then we're going to move into leg three. All right, and leg three, I believe, will take ZBCN to around, the 2 to 3 cent mark on the most conservative move, and maybe even to the 10 cent mark if things will start going bananas. And so I'm looking for I'm looking now, I'm waiting. I'm waiting for this wave, this corrective wave to be over. And then I'm waiting to get signals on the new impulsive wave that will emerge. Then we are gonna buy the F out of ZBCN and we're gonna start initiate a swing trade into the next leg up. That should be extremely explosive. But at the moment, I'm waiting. Okay, I'm waiting because, as you know, guys, in trading there is no guaranteed. It could be a top now for a while. It not have to go to the next leg. It can, Bitcoin can poop the party. There is a lot of variables, and forces out there. But just tell you, I'm bullish on it. I think you should be bullish on it as well and wait for it to complete leg two and then looking for entries. By the way, let me show you the trade we took in the membership. Make sure to subscribe to our membership with the link below. We bought ZBCN. That's the trade alert from 19th of May. Bought it at 21. At 21, we tripled the size. We started buying it at 1.9. That was our entry right here. We had two entries, one at 1.9 and one at 2.1. Okay, members were printing. Okay, that was the first trade, the 240%. The second entry was almost quadruple, or was 300% move on ZBCN. That's how we trade crypto. We invite you all to subscribe to our VIP membership. With this link, you can scan the QR code here. Subscribe to our membership, where we're gonna share with you all our trade alerts. The next time ZBCN will emerge for another breakout, we're gonna nail it. Why? That's our job. That's what we do for life. That's what we're doing all the time. We are crypto traders, and ZBCN is our red hot pick for 2025, the red hot swing trade, and we're going to milk it as much as possible because this thing is just a beast, man.
For sure, for sure. And thank you to JCM for that. Yes, that megaphone over there looks very interesting. Hey everyone, look, we need your support, we need your love. So we want you to cook the like, send this to the heavens of the Lord of the algorithms. We need to push this strong. Subscribe to this channel, okay? The Crypto Mindset by Jomo. This is going to be the backup channel in case the main Crypto Mindset channel has issues, because we all know that every now and then, you know how YouTube sometimes tightens the guidelines. So we'll have two channels, one as a backup. We need you to subscribe to this as fast as possible. And also don't forget, by June 25th, less than 2 weeks from now, we're going to have our next seminar, the Crypto Gem Sniper. We're going to teach you when to buy coins specifically with high asymmetric reward to low risk. We're going to teach you all that and more. Like, subscribe, comment, join, get access. We love you all. We'll see you in the next one. See you until next time. No edge,
no trade.
Cheers, everybody.